are live, a little bit later than normal when we usually do it, but we are here with our friends from Siser. They're here to show you some things with their vinyl. We're here at ISS show in Atlantic City, so what better place to show you some mixed media vinyl and get this going. So take it over, guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America.
And I'm Brett with Siser North America.
Are you sure about that, Brett? Let's see.
Sure, so.
All right, what are we going to be talking about? Brett's going to show the first one.
Yeah, we're going to talk about a couple new products of ours first, starting with our new metal here. We're also going to talk about mixed media, some challenges that you may have, and we're going to decorate some shirts for you. Here we go. So the first one we're going to do is just a black standard cotton t-shirt. Okay.
Ooh, zooming in.
Zooming in, yeah.
Woo!
And this is the new Siser Metal product right here.
What colors does that come in?
This comes in silver and gold.
Putting him on the spot. I hope he knows the answer. Very good.
So we're going to press our first shirt right here.
All right.
And
Here,
we're
Bianca,
gonna
I'll
do
hop out of your
15
way.
by 15 TransPro heat press. Okay.
I'm gonna come on this side.
And what's kind of good about the size heat press right now is all the seams are completely free and outside of it. If I had a 16 by 20, I'd probably have to use a pillow. All right. We're gonna take our first layer here. Everybody has their different tricks. I kind of do the 4-finger from the collar trick, and that's where the top of my pattern will start. Kind of press that there. Now, generally speaking, you're gonna want to do your first press, peel, and then do your second press. But with this design, I've actually cut the carrier rather close to the top. So what's nice about that is I'll be able to line these up, press them both at the same exact time. All right, so now I'm gonna use my cover sheet as always. We're gonna throw this on here. And with Siser Metal, we're gonna cook it for about 10 seconds at 300 degrees. And this product is a warm to cold peel, so we're gonna let it cool off for maybe 15 seconds or so, and then we'll peel it and check it out. So now that we've got the shirt here.
Nice Atlantic City reference. Very nice.
Siser's at Siser.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Very nice.
So we're gonna let this cool off just for a few seconds here. Let this adhesive cool down, and then we'll be able to pull this carrier off. Joe, would you like to pull the carrier off of the shirt for me?
All right. Well, Brett, we can show a couple tricks to cool this down a little faster. So if you're working on the table right now, you can just jump it or bump it up against the table that you're working on to kind of speed that process up. All right, Brett, you ready to hold it?
I'm
the
ready.
big reveal?
Let's do it.
All right, so the gold's coming off first.
There we go.
And there you have that. And there's the silver.
Very
How about that?
nice.
Perfect.
It's the new Siser
Everyone
Metal
is
right there.
familiar with the Easy Weed foil. This is the new style of that called Metal from Siser. It's out now. You can find it at Pro World. Check it out. This is a great one. Thanks for showing that one,
I
Brett.
think I'm gonna put this on.
Hey, Matt said he needs you for something.
Oh, okay.
No, yeah, I need you for something.
So delayed.
Something.
Oh, man.
No, I need that other one. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the, where do we have those samples? All right, so we're going to do the mixing medias. So right here, I have 3 different styles of Easy Weed, or I should say 2 styles, and then this one is Easy Weed Stretch. So I have black as the underbase. I'm using the newest Easy Weed Electric Pearl color for the white, and I have the electric red Easy Weed. So we're keeping the heat press at the same setting temperature-wise. I'm going to be pressing on a tri-blend hoodie here. So this is a perfect example of where you're going to want to use a heat press pillow, because I'm going to want to try to avoid this pocket in the seams of the hoodie up here. So loading it onto my heat press, I'm going to make sure the hoodie is actually off the heat press. And then I'm going to place my pillow inside the hoodie. This way, it's going to allow me to get the surface area I want when I do press my 3 color. So after I have the hoodie and the pillow, I want to make sure my pressure is right. So right now my pressure is very high. So I'm going to adjust that to make it more of a medium to lighter pressure. Still too high.
Oh, Matt.
All right. So we're gonna do that. That's about right. Now, I already have these pieced together. The benefit of the pressure sensitive backing allows you to line up your 3-color so that you can line it onto your garment first. So I'm gonna start by finding out where I wanna put this. And then once I have that lined off, you wanna make sure you peel the first 2 layers off and don't press that all at once. So now I'm gonna line that up, and I'm using Easy Weed Stretch, and the benefit with Easy Weed is you only need to tack that for 1 second, and you can peel the carrier hot. So now I'm gonna line up my second layer, which is the Easy Weed Electric, and I'm lining it up directly on top of the Easy Weed Stretch. And with the electric, I'm going to tack this for 1 to 2 seconds. I did forget my cover sheet. Please don't do that. Press that for about 2 seconds. And again, I'm gonna peel that hot. Now we are on to our last layer, which is the latest Easy Weed Electric Pearl. And line that up, and because I only tacked this for about 2 to 3 seconds, I'm able to find my registration perfectly. Now that's my last layer, so I can go back and press this for 2 to 3 seconds. But what I want to show you, cool trick if you want to zoom in, see how my carrier sheet is actually lined up on my under base. You know how you get that annoying line that lines up there when you press it too much? What I'm going to do is actually tack this top layer, not with these on it, and I'm gonna press this for about 1 to 2 seconds. Take my carrier sheet off. Now I don't have to worry about that line anymore. If I would have pressed it for the full time, that would have happened, but this is not done yet. So I'm gonna go back and press it for 10 seconds, and this is gonna cure that top, second, and last layer.
Any questions, Dan?
Questions?
Not yet.
All right. We have too many professionals out there now. And there we have it. The decked out hoodie.
Very nice.
Sorry for all the people that aren't Devils fans, but you know, we're here in Jersey, so we got to represent a little bit. So there's that. Now I'm going to show you a trick with glitter. Okay? So a lot of questions happen, or they ask us all the time, can you layer Siser glitter on top of one another? That is one thing that we do not suggest. So we like to show people the knockout method. So this is a way to give the illusion that your glitter is actually layered on top of one another. I have it upside down. So what I'm gonna do is the same as before. I'm gonna line up my transfer to give that illusion of the one final result. But this is just so that when I go to my next garment, another hoodie with the zipper. So again, I'm gonna wanna make sure I use a heat press pillow to give me enough pressure in the area I want. So I'm gonna do a left chest on this one. And as you see, I'm setting this up and you have the zipper in the way. What's great is these heat press pillows will allow you to get away from hitting the zipper. So I'm gonna place this right in the inside pocket, right where I wanna press. And now I don't have to worry about this zipper being in the way when I do close my heat press. So I'm gonna preheat that for a couple seconds. Now we should be good to go. So now I'm gonna take my 2-color design, line this up, and place it where I wanna go onto the garment. So we'll go about here, and then make sure you take off the first layer so you don't press them all at one time. And now with the glitter, cover sheet, you only need to press this for about 2 seconds to kind of tack it into place. And then you can peel that hot. And now I'm going to line up my last color and piece it, or do the knockout method, into my bottom layer. And now this is the last layer I'm going to use, so I can apply it for the full 10 seconds. Now this is going to cure that top and bottom layer.
Girls, there's a Swedish Fish right here.
There isn't a Swedish Fish yet.
No one heard that.
No one heard that.
They were just referencing our earlier
That was
Facebook
it, the
Live.
earlier
Yes.
Facebook Live. And there we have it. Now the illusion of layered glitter, but that's actually all on the garment. So there you have it. There's a couple tricks right there with Siser heat transfer vinyls. Oh my goodness, there is
Oh,
a
look,
Swedish
we have a
Fish.
friend.
What do we have there?
Oh, wow.
How cool is that? Sponsored
out
by
of water.
Swedish Fish.
And he's got some sweet moves, too.
If you ever want the coolest dance moves, that's where it's at.
What do we have here?
We have our Siser promotion only at Pro World. You get free shipping. I can't even look at this fish over here.
He's radiating heat and sweetness at the same time.
You get free shipping, free USPS shipping for any order of $59 or more with Siser Vinyl. You also get double the reward points that we offer. And oh my goodness, and a $10 coupon to use towards a future order when you place $99 worth of Siser. So a lot of benefits from Pro World. As you can see, we're clearly having fun here at the ISS.
Come hang out. There's one more day. Come on down.
And you can see our life-size Swedish fish.
What booth are we in?
What booth?
923. All right.
You'll even see Brett dance with the Swedish Fish
How'd you
outfit
know?
or without.
You're not
So.
gonna say it was Brett.
Oh, is it?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.